Sheep. I I totally totally remembered to click go live. Oh, of course, because you gave it credit because we were streaming and you didn't want to get copyright striked for this sheep. Anyhow, so the
No, it's just ethical to do so.
so the plan for today is we're gonna try to Gupta. Okay, so wait, are you able to see main?
Once you open it, yes.
I opened it. Okay, I'm gonna command save this because it's good for now. I'm going to go into. So basically, the goal right now is to try to make it so that we have players. We have one player right now that is in a nice class, and then we have that player can have different types of weapons attached to it, and those different types of weapons will be in their own different classes. So, so in this, we should do this in the game loop, right?
Mm-hmm.
Are you able to? Okay, I opened it. There. Does it work now?
Uh-oh. Now they're all gone.
Okay, but I opened player.js. Here, I'm gonna open player.js. Now can you see it?
No.
Why is this so bad?
Maybe it takes time. What if I like leave and rejoin?
Try it.
Okay. Leave. Join. Oops. Aha! Yes, I see it.
Okay, perfect.
Inconvenient, but okay.
So this code here is very shit code. It doesn't work at all. This was my attempt at making like a weapon called arm.
Mm-hmm.
And it's garbage. So what we want to do is we want to attach the model to the camera, or should we attach the model to the camera or the camera to the model? I think the camera to the model might be a little easier, maybe. I don't know.
Camera to the model? Would that work? Probably.
Yeah. Yeah. Or no, actually, because then hitboxes will be relative to the player, to the model, which is inside a. Oh no, but then we could just do like player.model. Okay. Oh, all right. So instead of going this player.model, I can go. I can do that.
Okay.
Right, and then it'll constantly keep it attached.
Mm-hmm.
Constantly keep this model, which is this. Okay, cool.
Mm-hmm.
And then the arm, or
if the camera doesn't see it, it might just be because it's inside the camera, so it won't see it. You might have to move it forward a bit or something.
Okay,
the model. It's like around inside.
Yeah. I know. Because that's convenient because I don't want the player to see nothing but his own innards. So for the arm, the goal here is to try to attach to. Wait, is camera.pop or something a thing? Can you like detach elements?
Yeah, I think you can do camera.remove. Let me see. Yes, you can.
Oh, okay. Okay, so
I will just add to remove.
Okay, so here we might want to have the code that constantly checks if a weapon is selected in the game loop. Because where else would it be?
Mm-hmm.
So, okay, so here, wait, so now we don't need to put, we don't need to constantly update the model's position, because it'll always
Mm-hmm.
be, oh, that's really convenient.
Yes.
I wonder if, like,
This is what Yasin does, I think. Actually, not. I'm not sure. No, it doesn't. Never mind.
oof. Wait, what does it do then? Does it just do, does it constantly
I was going
update
to
it?
do that, but I wanted to be extra fancy, and so I'm just setting the object's position and rotation to the camera, and then add a little effect to the add a little like delay to setting the rotation so that it kind of has like a nice. It's like in Minecraft when you fall really fast, and so your arm just goes. I don't know.
Oh, yeah. Oh, okay, I see. Okay, so here in the game loop, if, um, is there a way to, I don't know how we're gonna implement, because I wanted basically to have another class inside the classes where it's gonna be like, there's the player class, and then I'm gonna create another folder called the weapons class, and in the
Mm-hmm.
weapons class I'm gonna make a default like a pistol, for example, and this
I see.
pistol is gonna have its own model in declared in its class,
Mm-hmm.
and it's going to have its properties declared in its class. Oh, okay. I love how it colors the text. Um, so I'm not really sure how to approach that. Like, even begin to approach it. Um, maybe we can go like,
You can have um like a weapons class, and that has like this dot model, and then you can add weapon dot model to the arm.
but like there are going to be different types of weapons, so there's just going to be one big weapon class.
Hmm. Or you can have a class for every type of weapon, maybe. I don't know.
Um, okay, so pistol.js. Um, let's just structure the class similarly to this one. So I'll just copy everything and put
Mm-hmm.
everything except the, oh man. Okay, there. And since this one will not have to really have that complex of a game loop, because it's not going to be moving, it's going to be attached, we can remove this. Yeah, this.
Wait.
It's not going to need gravity or anything.
Aha.
You're able to see it? Okay, cool. Now you're blue for some reason, I don't know. Um, what is the... Okay, this isn't necessary either. Or maybe it is. Can I reference... Am I able to reference the the way fuck the way the player is looking.
What do you mean?
Am I able to reference, say I specified like and declared a variable, and this dot player looking in player.js, would that allow me to make the would that allow this to use where the player is looking to in order to correctly aim the gun?
Hmm.
Or would that be a private class? Or would because then I could go like no, because then I would have to go each player. Because then for each individual player instance, I'd have to go player one dot looking. Because it's not a function, so I'm not really sure.
It's just, yeah, the sounding's really weird. To explain why
Confused.
if they write a paragraph and then use some art, then
I don't think we need this.
application makes a
This.
and then, but you can't even use evidence from the book. You have to like either use observation or like from an article. Or observation or easiest you can cite it. But I also know that
那你有摄取一下吗？那你有自己的看法吗？自己的，我对这一则是不是？
Is what I'm saying sort of making sense? Like ultimately what I'm trying to get? Because I want it to be intuitive. Because if I call the player's position, I'll have to go the instance of player dot position, and I can't write all instances of the player in this, since this is something that is supposed to be referred to by player.
Uh-huh.
So how can I? Is there a way I can? Is there a way it can access the class it is attached to's position? Or information about the class that it is attached to?
You can make the player class set like weapon dot player equals this, and that way it inside a pistol class they can be like this dot player dot camera dot position or something like that. Maybe.
I think I sort of understand. We need to remove this though, I think. And this. Okay, so we're just gonna put the gun. The gun is just gonna be like a small rectangle at this point. The length of 1.2 and 0.2, like that. Although, okay, yeah, I really wish I could just test all of this easily.
Thank you for eating more.
eat more, but you get more.
You need to.
Okay. So I'm gonna remove these cases. Can key down apply to the mouse, or is that a different event listener?
It's a different one. Mouse down.
Oh, so a switch wouldn't really make sense here because it can only detect if a specific mouse key is pressed.
It would be event.which, and then to detect like the left. So if event.which is 1, then it's the left mouse button. Then I think 2 is middle, 3 is the right one, 4 is abstract.
Okay, so 1 and 3.
I think they're actually numbers, so you might want to turn these into numbers. Just like so.
Like this?
Yeah. Clever naming. W pressed and A pressed.
Yeah, that works.
New key down.
Okay, so in the game loop, if I can't, okay, if shooting I'm gonna add all the these later because that's painful to do. If shooting ooh, I know. Wait, no, I don't.
Let me look at how you make bullets. Bullets 3.js.
You just create a new instance, right?
Mm-hmm. Wow, these people are so sophisticated.
I'm gonna define the bullet class later.
Ooh, these guys are very sophisticated. Look at this.
They do.
Let me send you them. Aquis.
Oh my Christ.
Let me see. There, most of it is just to actually show. I think the relevant things here are very complex.
Function render.
Okay, so
No, yeah. Nope, never mind. Clock dot
why is
get
my thing so
delta.
weird?
Wow, they even have a clock. Jesus Christ. Oh, that's a thing? 3.js, a clock? That's cool.
Oh. Wait, what? Let me reload.
We did our own proprietary clock.
Okay, so I think this is the relevant part. It creates the plasma ball, and then
On mouse down.
sets it to the position of the emitter, which I think is just a weapon. Then it uses the rotation of the camera. Quaternion, so fancy. That's another way of doing rotations. And then they added to the scene. They also added to an array. Store all the bullets. Oh, so that in their game loop.
All of them are moved.
Yeah. So they use the clock to know time frame. Thank you. Using a different method. Very fancy.
Is there a way to know, because we already have a clock, I think? No, the clock runs in main.js. So we can call a clock in here. It's a change in time.
Yes.
Um,
So you should make a new
it hasn't
bullets.
changed.
Bullets.js.
Yeah, but the bullet would need to know the position of the gun, and the gun would need to know the position of the player. Is there a way to do that?
Well, once you add a bullet to the gun, then you can just do bullet. So gun dot get world. They have quaternions, which is for rotations. So they can do like bullet dot quaternion equals the weapon get world quaternion, I think.
Where are you typing?
Oh wait, actually no. I want the cameras thing. Its location should be at.
Oh, you're doing this in inspect element, I assume.
Oh no, I'm typing in Discord.
Oh.
Oh, I'll just type it here then. Type it in the Atom then.
If shooting new bullet, weapon get world position. What is this? Get world quaternion? Is that a built-in function?
Quaternion is a fancy rotation.
What does that do?
Huh? It just makes it point in the same direction.
Isn't that what? Oh.
Because there's no get world rotation. So quaternion
Get world? What world? I'm confused.
Like, because
The
it's
parent?
inside. The bullet is, the weapon is inside. Like,
It needs to refer to the gun's position.
yeah.
So
like the
world
bullet.
is the parent.
The scene, I think. The entire scene. If you're going to add it to the scene here.
No, I plan to add the player to the scene. The weapons would be added to the players, and the players would be added to the scene.
Yes.
So
If you want to get the scene coordinates, because like if you rotate the weapon, you also want to. Its local coordinates will be different from the global coordinates. Posición.
Okay, and then okay.
Should probably also add the bullets to an array, I guess. I don't know.
Bullet inherently has a position tag. What's this for?
So like the bullet has this dot the bullet object thing. That's the bullet rectangle thing.
Yep.
Okay.
Oh, you mean like the model?
Yeah.
Okay.
Blink. Blink. Doink.
Bullet dog.
No, don't bring it. 全部都给你吃。要不来。
Okay, I'm gonna create a new bullet. Not bad. Multiple class. Oh, fudge. I just remembered that if I do all this, I'll have to link all these individual class files. Is there a way I can link a folder that contains all the class files?
No, you have to link every individual.
Oh my, why?
That's how JavaScript used to work. There's actually a different way of doing things. Import export, but I'm not very familiar with them. But you could try.
Maybe we just shouldn't make this many classes.
Or you could put them all in one file.
Oh dear. But that makes it really ugly to work with. No?
Oh, I have to click on your icon to see other files. Oh. Okay. I should capitalize bullet here. I see. That makes everything a lot easier now. I can actually see two files at once. That'd be great. Okay, you paused for some reason.
I'm just trying to think what would be an efficient way to format this. If we have this many classes, it's gonna become a pain to link everything.
Oh, let me show you something for these. So you have a bullet class, right? A generic bullet class. You can do like special bullet extends bullet, and so you can have this could be like a template. This could be like a template class, and then you can have with like basic things like shoot, which could move the bullet, and then you have the special bullet thing that can which calls the bullet constructor, and then it can create its own special model.
Whoa.
Yeah, and so later you can do new special bullet. And even though special bullet doesn't have shoot defined, you can still do like bullet dot shoot, and that will run the bullet shoot instead of special bullet, which I think is really cool.
That is very cool. But
yeah.
Okay, so
and you can do the same with weapons as well.
Okay, so let's move this into pistol.
Oh, okay.
Under this. Eat. Where's the bullet? Where'd it go? Okay. I'm gonna do like I can't find my keys. Where'd it go? There we are.
Let me help you with this.
Okay, it works. Okay. Yeah, that works. So It's just to visually separate both files. Alright, so the bullet class, now we can remove the bullet class.
Why?
Delete. Because we have a new one. I mean, it's the same one, it's just...
Oh, okay.
Because I don't want to have to link all of them. It's going to be a pain.
Oh, okay, I see. Or you can put all the bullets in one class and all the extents bullets in the same class as the bullet class. Then you only have one bullet.js. I don't know. Whatever. You do you.
Delete. Okay. So, I guess for the constructor it would just be like the draw the bullet itself. Yeah.
Yeah.
Like this.
Well, actually, no. Every bullet will look. Okay, sure.
So is there, like, because this would be super helpful, if I can refer... Wait, what if we made class extensions? What if we made bullet a class extension of pistol?
Pardon? Bullets?
What if we made all the bullets just be special, or like extends pistol?
That would imply that
Because then we could easily
bullets
call...
could also like shoot more bullets or something. Extends are for like
Oh, never mind then.
if they're kind of like
Oh shit. Okay. I can't put .x because that'll make it go one axis. So bullet dot position would make it go like in the position it's looking at. No.
ooh, oh. The example I sent you earlier actually has the code for it. We should change this to game loop and then make it require the change in time or whatever. And then use this. So this dot model translate, and then I don't know what the speed is. I guess we can have this dot so that multiple different bullets have different speeds. What's the reasonable speed?
I don't know. Where'd you get speed from?
Huh?
Where'd you get speed from?
The example on Stack Overflow?
That's a defined thing.
No, we have to define it ourselves. I defined it up in constructor.
Oh,
Like we're multiplying the speed by the change in time.
Yeah. So the game loop. So what is in here? Like what in the parentheses of a function is what it has to work with?
Yeah. Change in time change? I don't know.
I don't remember. It's let's see.
Never, it doesn't.
Classes. Nope, not classes. Main. Change in time equals date dot now minus old time. Yeah. What the fuck is this? What even is the DS? Oh. Have you just been messing around in the DS store, or is this genuinely what it looks like?
Let me look at the stream. Skip ahead. It's just you idling around. Oh, now you opened it. Yeah, that's what it looks like. It's not meant to be read like binary. So, and it's like trying to look at gibberish and trying to read it as English, basically.
That's funny.
Yeah.
Don't save bullet. Oh, okay. This will make speed available to everything in the bullet class, right?
Mm-hmm.
We don't need special bullets yet. This is just
Okay, just one type of bullet then?
maybe if we want like a crit bullet later. Yeah. Do we have too many parentheses? What is this one? That one doesn't do anything.
Really?
Okay, there we are. Meh. Okay. How will it? Oh, because change in time is a public variable. Is global.
No, it's not. Oh, is it?
It is. It's defined in
Oh, okay.
in main.js.
Then you don't. Well, it depends if it's because functions can't access other function variables. But if it's like defined outside of a function, then access it. Let me look at what's on your website.
Okay, it's right here.
Ah, okay. Yes, it is global. That means we don't even have to pass it in argument.
Why not? Wait. So
Because they
what's
already
the
have
arguments for? Is this the equivalent of like
Scheme.
of in Scheme where you like in the let thing where you put the definitions and then this is the body of the let?
Yeah.
Oh.
I mean, it's also the same as your classic define square n. That n is a parameter.
Oh. Okay. Oh, that makes sense. Okay, cool. So yeah, because change in time is like the internal game tick. It always works. I don't know what. So this isn't good anymore because bullet.position plus plus doesn't work. Because what is translate z? Is that one of 3.js's custom built functions?
Yeah, I think it makes it go in the direction it's facing.
Huh. Because I mean, we could theoretically set a variable for that in the player because it's like it has to do with the trigonometry thingy.
Who does that for us?
Of all the sin and
does
costs.
That all for us?
Sweet. Okay. Cool. Nice. Huh. Amazing. So we didn't even really need to do all this math.
Yeah, that's what libraries are for.
Wow. Okay. Well, that's shocking and revolutionary. Let's see. Okay, that works. That saves us time. Why Z? What if it goes on other axes? Oops.
Then it'll go left or right, or it'll go up and down instead of going forward and back.
Oh, so it can be anything really?
Don't you want it to go forward, like in the direction it's facing?
Yeah, in the direction that. No, because then if we do it in the direction that it's facing, then we turn our camera, and then our gun would turn with us, and then the bullet would.
No, it won't. It will use the old rotation, I think.
Are you sure?
Probably.
Where does it store?
It would be really obvious if it does turn.
Yeah, but where does it store the old rotation?
It's pretty easy to fix as well.
Oh, okay.
I wouldn't worry about it.
Let's see. Shouldn't these be... Okay, that makes okay. Yeah. So now, how do we attach pistol to player unspecifically?
This dot bullet. Oh yes, I remember. You can do bullet dot player equals bullet. I'm sorry, no, this. So then,
What? Bullet? No, no, no. Wait, what?
so that means that
Player
in
isn't a
bullet,
subclass of bullet.
you don't have to define. You don't have to declare like this dot player.
You can just reference any player class instance.
Yeah, that's actually a downside of JavaScript, but whatever.
How is that a downside of JavaScript? It would save so much
Sometimes you
time.
don't want it to be able to modify. Can't trust everyone. So this just gives like bullet inside bullet. This dot player will refer this player instance.
Okay. Nice. Huh. So then why is it... I'm so... Because you go bullet, and then you say... Because here it's like bullet and then model, because that's like that's a function inside the bullet class. Here you go, the bullet class, and then you refer to player as if it's a...
Like it's already defined?
Like it's a function in the bullet class. You can't go
Oh, you
like...
can do that.
What?
You can do that, and JavaScript's like, oh, you want to make a new...
You want to make a new player?
Yeah, you want to do a dot player? Sure, why not?
That literally makes no sense. Why would you want to create a new player every time you're
How about this?
shooting?
How about we do this dot player equals null, and now it will seem like it has been already defined, and you change it. Boop, boop, boop.
So it'll apply this to the player class, and then the bullet. It'll apply the bullet. Wait. Shouldn't it be player.bullet?
Eventually you would have to do this dot bullets dot player. Let me make a really simple class B. Hello, I am B. This dot message is hello, I am a student.
Because if you wanted to reference the player functions inside the player class without naming the specific instance...
Here, look at the screenshot I sent you in Discord.
Yeah.
It's actually recursive once we made that loop. Because inside bullet has dot player, which references player, and then player has dot bullet, which will reference the bullet, which has dot player, which will reference the player, so on. It's recursive.
That's not good.
No, it's fine.
So, why would you want every time you shoot for it to create a new player?
No, you're creating a new bullet. It's the same player. Same player, new bullet. That's it.
Oh, because it's equal to this, and this is the bullet.
This is the player.
But this is not the player. This is the pistol class.
Oh. Oh, oops. Oh, then this will reference the pistol. But isn't that the same thing? Like, there's only going to be one pistol.
Yes?
Oh, wait, if you want to reference the player, then...
No, I guess because we can do... No. We can reference the pistol, and then we can reference
Here's a better idea.
And then we can reference the pistol to the player.
Yeah.
Okay,
sure.
so let's reference this to the pistol.
If it works, it works.
This will put it to the bullet class. No, okay, we're in the pistol. Okay, this is confusing. There we are. Okay, perfect. Camera.add, but camera's gonna be undefined.
Oh, I meant scene.
How? Is that a chicken? With
No,
glasses?
that's Mrs. Claus.
Looks like a chicken with glasses.
Use Windows plus period. Windows period. Get these fun. What's this? Woman bald. Man bald. Nurse maybe? Or
Woman
man
bald, man bald.
Oh yes, this one is man in a suit levitating. That one's the best emoji.
Oh, okay.
Oh, that one's not supported in Atom. Fun. That one is face with monocle. Cold face. That one's not supported. What's the good one here?
We get off track a lot.
I'm still looking for it. Aha, found it. Yes.
Amazing. Now we can retire. This, okay. It'll add it to the scene, and it knows what the scene is. Is model defined?
You don't have to define it. Like, this thought things, you don't have to define. You don't have to declare.
Because this is the declaration.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. That makes sense. Okay, yeah.
Fun. Wait! Oh
no. Okay. This still makes 0 sense to me. I'm looking at it really hard and I can't... Because it breaks all the other conventions of the dots. Like, this is like the position, so it's like, that's part of the model, which is part of the bullet. But the pistol is not part of the bullet. The bullet is part of the pistol?
The bullet is part of the pistol. What?
The pistol creates new bullets. The bullet is trying to refer to information from the pistol. But pistol is not a function inside the bullet class. It is a different class. So how the hell is that a thing?
Well, do you know JSON?
Is that a language?
JavaScript object notation, which means that it is JavaScript. So
then yes. I didn't know. So we can use JSON files?
Well, so this, this is an empty JSON object, right?
Yes. Yes, I remember.
Also valid JavaScript.
Okay.
And then likewise, you can have properties like pistol equals a pistol. Yes. You can also do you can also set so you can set the property like object.pistol equals 3. And then if I run that in the console,
it'll set pistol to 3?
Yeah. And then you can see it
instead of a pistol?
Yeah. Yeah. And so, but if you do something like object.wiggle slump equals 4, that still works. It just makes a new thing.
Fascinating.
Like so. So likewise, you can just do bullet.pistol equals to this, and you're just making a new entry in the object, which is the bullet.
The object of pistol?
The bullet object?
But you're still putting new pistols in the bullet.
New pistol? No, this is the current pistol, the pistol instance. This refers to the...
Well, then all that this will do is go inside... is reference everything inside the... is reference everything inside the pistol class. So...
Yeah, and so inside the bullet you can do this dot pistol dot...
Wait, you realize that you're putting this inside the pistol class, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so wouldn't it be like pistol dot bullet equals new bullet?
Well, do you want the bullet to be able to know about its parent's pistol? Oops.
The bullet to know about its parent's pistol.
Like, it won't... Inside the bullet class, they won't...
Yeah, I know. So, it needs to know information about bullet.
Like, the pistol class knows everything about the bullet already.
Okay, I see. So, what this does is it saves this to a thing called pistol. It saves this context into pistol, and then when you refer to pistol under here, it will give you relative information of the... So this is like how classes communicate?
Yeah, basically.
Okay, that took a
Yay.
really long time. I don't understand. Well, you didn't have a break today at school. It's just, at least I didn't have Gupta, but still, it's just like, it's like, you know, the thing, and then the other thing right after, and I can't speak, and then I just played Hearthstone during FOOP. So, anyway, new. Okay. Okay. So. Okay, makes sense, sort of. But does this work though?
Yeah,
You tested it?
maybe. Actually, wait.
We're gonna need to add a shit ton of these.
Well, first we actually need to. First we probably should do. We should.
Okay, wait.
We need to create the pistol first. The player doesn't create a pistol, I think. Does it?
Yeah, he doesn't. So, in player, are we?
Follow you? Yes, I opened the player.js. I have access to it now.
Nice. We can go, not in constructor, but in the game loop. If one or if this is this dot
So you already have that in
one
pistol?
pressed. I can't do one. I can't put numbers.
You can't start with a number.
Oh fuck. Well, there goes my naming convention. God damn it. All right. Well, this is a bit of
By
a
the
problem.
way, you should not be creating new pistols in game loop. You should create them all in the constructor.
But how will it
So if you want to
know?
like change. No, so you can have like this dot current weapon equals like. Wait, first you can make the weapon. So you have weapon A equals new something. Then you have weapon B.
So it creates all the weapons at the start.
Yeah, and then to get your current weapon, you can just have like this dot current weapon equals. And later on, you can change it to like weapon B or something.
Oh, I see. Okay. So this is gonna be well, it's gonna be undefined, but actually, I'm gonna leave that. Okay. All right. Weapon 1. No. Okay. Well, I'm mildly upset I'm mildly upset that my naming yeah, I know it works, but now my whole naming convention's fucked up. It was perfect. You see, I had the P capitals that you could see the difference between what is pressed and the fact that it is pressed. And now I can't. Okay, okay, this is annoying me.
You did have like N1 or _1. Both would work. We can't just use one. Oh well.
What do other things use? Like, what is
Other programming languages?
Yeah, I mean no, because for here it goes. Oh, okay, I see. Maybe I can just add another case, like the one pressed. Like that. Yeah, that should be good. Okay. And then if that illegal, or can I do that?
You can do what?
Calling it pistol again. Is,
Yeah, you can do that.
is pistol
Do you have
defined?
anything else called pistol?
No, but is... Oh my god. So, in... wait. No. Okay, yeah. So...
Okay.
So where... Where would we put, pistol.player equals this?
Oh. There. You could do that.
In the constructor?
Oh yeah, you could actually pass it in as an
As in?
player.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Hyper fancy.
And then the other file, which I added this to the argument when I called.
Oh. Cool.
Yay.
Well, how does this work? This.player. It does. It's not gonna refer. It's gonna
It
refer.
refers to that pistol.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, okay. And on player, where you put this.pistol equals new. Where is it then? Where'd you put it in player? How is it
This-
gonna know to refer to player and not just pistol?
This means different things in different places. That's the weird thing about JavaScript.
Oh my god, that pisses me off.
So here, this refers to the player instance, and then over here in the pistol.js, this refers to the pistol instance.
What? This dot player refers to the pistol. What?
Well, just this. This refers to the pistol,
Yeah. Okay.
and then over here, this refers to the player instance.
Yes. Because it's in
It-
player.
Yeah.
So it does mean the same thing, because this is a player class.
Well,
It's referring to the
current
class it's in.
Yeah.
So this will take this this, oh my god. This will take this class to pistol.js and input it in the defined arguments of constructor so that it can. Then what is why is this here? I've
So
said
that you
this
can
so many
store it in-
times today. They need to come up with different words than this, that, this, that. That's like saying.
Player and pistol.
That's like naming all your variables this. If you
Basically.
could. Just because, like, you don't have any reference.
Oops. Oh, pistol is actually the name an alternative name we gave to this.
To the
Like
what?
with the-
Where?
like pistol. When we were writing a story about self.
Oh.
Yeah.
Why were you Why were there pistols in Self?
No. It's a parody of the school name. By adding an E, it looks more like a family name.
Oh, I see. Because I was like, if you put two L's, that would make sense. What did I just do? There we are. If you put like pistol, that would make sense. But no.
I guess so. Whatever. To each their own.
Takes a hell of a brain to not get confused or distracted. Let's see. Okay, cool. So when it's constructed, oh my god, I'm not even sure I fully understand, but I think I do, sort of. Communicating classes is not intuitive. Is it more intuitive in Java?
Actually, I think it's the same in Java, but you don't use this as much.
This to this pistol instance. and it sets that to the what? Okay. Command S, Command S. I'm gonna GitHub this thing. Wait, I can't. How do I get? Okay.
You can use the GitHub desktop if you like.
I can just push it. Stage all. This. Commit. Push. Let's see if it works. Probably. Did you? We probably forgot a bunch of these.
Ooh.
What?
Website updates. Fancy. Let's see how what broke. I don't think you linked. Did you link pistol.js?
I did not link pistol.
Fun.
No. Programs. Dual cubes. Actually, you know what? Fuck it. I'm tired of linking things. I'm gonna grab pistol.
Story.
Take it out of weapons. Or actually, no. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna copy everything in pistol and bullet essentially. Put it in player. Yes. I don't need to say use strict multiple times, right?
I think you do. Whatever.
Where is it?
Delete it.
There we are. Can't. I don't know why it takes me so long to find that thing. Wee.
You only need one use strict.
Yeah, that's what I was asking. Okay, so like that, and then I can go. The hashtag is there so that when I want to quickly find the code place of the hashtag, I can just type in hashtag, and it won't bring me to all the pistol words in the program. Okay, now we just copy that. It's a convention now, apparently. Bullet code. No. What did I do? Okay. Nope. There we are. Why? No, my OCD. Fuck. Unacceptable. I cannot live like this. There we are. I swear to fuck. No! Okay, whatever.
What did he do?
What?
I don't know. Oh, okay.
Okay, and then we can move we can move all of player. And move all of player into main.
Wow.
Wait,
It's gonna be a
no.
large fun.
Can I do that? Yes.
Sure, why not?
Eh. This is terrible. Okay, well, now I can't use my convention anymore because it's been ruined. Okay, don't. That is a Gupta order. Player. Player class. code. And okay, I can remove this strict. This is going to be the main code.
Main.
There. References. There we are. And then all of this is going to be an initial.js. I'm sorry, sheep. Actually, sheep, you can stay. I'm going to go like that. I move the sheep. Perfect. Oh my Christ.
Is this a big file? Oh, it's only 300 lines. It's not big.
That is not what she said. No, why is it? Oh, that's because there's no more lines there. I thought that it looked like there was a mini indent. Okay. Aha! Alright. Command S. Close everything. Rename this to dualcubes.js. Fuck creating other files. I didn't know JavaScript was going to be this way. In the Java language, you just put them all in one big folder, right? And then it references all of them, so you don't need to link them all in HTML.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yes. Thank God. Because I could not live programming a more massive game than this with all of it being in one file. It would take 2 days to load. And then it would also be very, 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 very painful to look at.
That's basically Yesin. I put everything in the single file. Like the entire game.
No, they're like, you know that meme where they go like, oh, the tiers of intellect, right? There's small brain. There's small brain at like nicely organizing your files and folders and classes and stuff, and then having to link them all. Small brain. Then there's medium brain, which is shoving them all into one file. And then there's hyper intellectual brain, which is putting them all into one line.
And then after that, you put them all in the script tag in the HTML document.
And then you will never be able to edit that code ever again. Unless you're some sort of fucking god. Okay, do we have any other stricts? I am Command S-ing the wrong thing.
Actually, have you seen Ugua's code?
It's horrendous, I think. Ugui?
Yes. It's all in one line, I think.
Uguisha?
Ugua.
Uguisha's not like this, right? I don't know.
Uguisha is all in one line because I want to make it load as quickly as possible. But when
Does that really make a difference? Because I thought it ignores the other lines.
Well, it has to send the spaces.
It does?
To the servers. Yeah.
Oh.
Such a slight.
Are there like
There are programs that can remove them for you, yeah.
Yeah, so you could have two files. One of them is like yours that you can read, which has the spaces, and then when you're about to publish it, you delete all the lines and stuff.
I just run a program that does it.
Okay, cool. Okay, cool. Yes. Yeah, because if you do that and then you don't have a file that isn't collapsed, you're gonna have a bad time developing it.
Like even that's why 3.js has two files. There's the minified one, and there's the big spacey one.
End of line 1. That is insane. Okay, so now that I have created the legendary... Wait, it didn't get named. Are you kidding me?
Hmm?
What?
Oh, is it because I have it open? What if I close the thing?
Initial.js, right? It has everything in it.
Mm-hmm.
I rename that to... Yeah, whatever. I don't know what did you change in player.js?
Nothing.
Oh, nothing. Okay, so I'm just not going to save that because I'm going to remove everything else. There, now I stopped sharing it, so I should be able to rename it just fine.
Ah, that means I need the new share ID. Scary.
Duelcubes.js.
I accidentally googled ooh message for some reason.
Oh, okay. That didn't work. Okay, rename. Duel cubes.js. Do I need to hit enter or something? Oh, okay, that worked. Lol.
Oh, should we move to channel on your server so that's the
Ooh, other hyper intellectual, sure.
okay.
Ooh, wow. Name. And now I'm listening to my own stream while streaming. Streamception! Wait, I lost it. Nope. Duel.
Oh,
Hear my beautiful voice! Jaya, do I need to hit enter or something? Oh, okay, that worked. Lol.
Okay, which channel should we move
I
to
liked it.
channel on your
Oh my god, the inception.
to which channel should we switch?
Huh? Oh, I thought I
Your
clicked
voice
on a channel, but I thought I...
You did? No, you're still connected to this one. That's what we're still speaking.
Lol. Just go into dev chat. Not developer chat, because for some reason I didn't name them the same thing, but the one in private. Yes, this one.
Oh,
Ew. Okay, cool. I think we're good now. Now all
Yes.
I need to do is I need to go into dual squares.html for the very last time. Nope, not the dual cubes.
Oh, I can't see your code right now because you stopped sharing.
Yeah, I know. I'm not doing anything fancy. I'm just linking shit.
Okay.
What did I do? No. I hit Command Z. Did I Command Z something important? Probably. Okay, close. Nah. Heh. Okay, I'm not gonna put the library in the same file. No, thank you.
Yes, that's a good idea.
I can tolerate linking two things. Out of here. Perfect. Dual cube / dual cubes.js. Save. Stage all. Commit. Push.
Close, close, close. Close, 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 close.
I
close.
liked my own stream while streaming. Oh my god.
États-Unis.
Oof, what is this? Oh, okay, that works. Aha! And it doesn't work. What did we do wrong?
Oh.
Failed to load resource. The server responded with a 404. Initial.js isn't a thing.
Is it just because it's cached?
No, I hit... Oh, yeah, it was. Now it's loading, but now there are other errors to be taken care of. Uncaught reference error, cannot access player before initialization at dual cubes JS.
Oh, that's because you put the classes after making new player. You probably have to reorder everything. Or no, you don't. Just
No, I will, because I want it to
main
not look
code.
like garbage.
share your code with me once here.
Dual. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of that. Okay. Meh. 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 Wow. I totally mispronounced that ooh, but okay.
Okay. Okay, time
So
to
the
join.
classes need to be defined even before the initial?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Nah. Fuck. Alright, so player code, all this, Copy.
Or no, it would be a lot simpler if
and
you just
delete.
no.
Eh?
You should just move the main code. Whatever.
It's fine.
Okay.
Because now I can just go like... Eh. And then... Meh. Then I can add another one of my fancy separator devices, 5000. Go like that. Okay, for some reason all of this shit has an extra space thingy.
I can do that for you.
So I'm gonna go like that, copy that, and then go Control Tab,
Shift.
Shift Tab. Okay, cool, coolio. That works. Okay, save. And now I can delete all the other ones, like main, weapons. Where? Okay, libraries didn't change. Programs, dual cubes. Delete. Delete. Fucking DS Store. Be gone, DS Store. Ideal. Okay, now I can just go back into Dual Cubes. Where is it? Be gone, DS Store. Anyhow.
You can never really remove DS Store.
Yeah, I can. Because it just creates a new one every time I open it on my Mac, but whatever.
Oop.
Hi, Steven. Use your beautiful voice. Don't be a shy turtle. What? Okay. Wait, I'm going to... Nah. There we are. And what did you change? In Dual Cubes, did you change anything?
No.
Okay, cool. So save, close, stage all, ew, and commit to master. Atom. Peak of development. I don't know what that was. Oh, that works. Okay, I don't have many chromes open. Yeah. Actually, they're still not any more defined or less defined. No. No, they are. I just need to reload vigorously. It's not working. Whoa! What was that? It just shot out another... How many... Go... Okay. Yeah. Did the changes happen? No, the changes still didn't take place yet. Steven is observing the gun. Oh, I never clicked push. I'm retarded. It's not as intuitive, because on GitHub Desktop, it's really big. It's like a nice button here, but on Atom,
Yeah, sometimes I forget myself.
it's just a little tiny sucker. I prefer GitHub Desktop. It's more simple.
You can still use GitHub Desktop.
Yeah, I'm only gonna use Atom if we're doing this Google Docs type shit.
Collaboration, real-time collaboration.
Brought to you by Google Docs. All right, now I need to wait for GitHub to be slow. So I removed, because for a really long time I was like, I looked at, so now news thingy doesn't actually report errors anymore. On a side note, when I wanted for the CSS, when I had the CSS for if you visit my images page, there are two problems here. I tried to use the blur element to make it blurry and transparent, so that it's kind of like a stained, a little blurred glass, but only for the background. But I didn't know how to do that, and now everything is just blurry. What the fuck? The hell was that?
I wasn't listening to what you were saying.
No. Okay,
oh, so what you wanted? Wait, so the problem is that it's blurring the hover instead of the image behind it?
No, it's... No. I wanted to just... Because I'm trying to understand... Fuck. Two things. Is one, I'm trying to change the position of the little hover, of the hover text thingy, so that it appears above your cursor by a few set pixels. Second thing is that I am trying to... I'm trying to make it transparent and blurry, but only the background, so that when you use the when you hover over the image, it's like a piece. It's like a stained. It's like a stained glass, right? It'll look like a stained glass. Right now, it just looks like a blurry line with a bit of black because it blurred the text as well as.
Ooh! Oh wait, no, never mind. Okay,
I don't like CSS.
Ah.
Also, it kind of collapses when you go near the edge. Why can't it just do like what it does in Minecraft, where it like moves
Goes
it
off
back?
screen?
No, it like moves it back a bit.
That would be harder. CSS isn't very good for that. Oh well.
Oh. Yeah, it's not really worth the time.
Okay, so you need to actually use background filter instead of... Oh no, I hate it.
Background filter didn't work. And I completely... Everything fell into chaos when I realized that the thing I worship every morning...
Translucent... Oh, it's not background, it's backdrop.
Oh, I'm insane. Okay, well...
No, you also need a transparent background, so like...
Stop breaking Chrome! Leave... Okay, there we are.
Look, let me send you a screenshot. I think this looks pretty cool.
Okay, it shows that camera isn't defined in pistol, and it isn't defined in player.
Yeah, okay. Let me send you the updated CSS.
Okay. Oh yeah, that looks great. I don't know how you did that. Actually, I do know how you did that. I just couldn't write background blur correctly. That was the thing, because every day I wake up and I worship drag a glossy square across the floor on your website. The problem is now it's not working, and I've been in emotional chaos ever since. But how was I supposed to keep sane?
Oh, by the way, apparently the shirts were decided. It's the eagle. It's the unfun eagle. The junior homecoming shirts.
I am most upset. Most
Why?
displeased. Because
Why?
it should have been the conceptualizing one. That one looked cool. It actually, the one you made,
Oh,
looks genuinely just objectively look better, and I just completely broke the zoom.
like the safety square one was actually pretty good as well. I like the chemistry reference, but that one lost. That was in the first two places.
Which one?
But apparently, huh?
Which one?
It looked like those like near pools. There's like the yellow, red, blue, white, like diamonds. The safety diamond.
I'm so confused. We can talk about this not on the stream.
Okay.
Because I'm not really sure what you're talking. So, okay, so you managed to make it look really cool. That's what I wanted. But now what I also am trying to understand about CSS is how can I make the reference point of when it starts to draw the little box a set amount of pixels above the cursor? Because I tried to use math, and then you told me I had to go calc parentheses, and that didn't seem to work because it's not moving. Or maybe it is, but I just didn't change the pixels by
It's
enough.
offset from the cursor slightly.
It is? Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, I just didn't put in big enough of a difference to notice.
Yeah.
Okay, cool, it worked.
Let me edit so you want it to be above the cursor, right? So
yeah, above and to the right.
Hard to screenshot it.
Yeah, it's fine. I'll try to. Let me just get constant.js.
Change the CSS. Yeah. In inspect element. Just a preview.
Background color. There's no need for a background. No, there is. Okay. Okay, perfect. Nah. Backdrop filter's a thing, because it's appearing in it's a different colored text, which is odd.
What?
Nah.
Where's your backdrop? Oh, you're looking here. Yeah, this looks normal. The text is from the color. Oh, I think it just forgot semicolon that screenshot. It looks normal to me. Or maybe backdrop filter is too neat.
No! When is it coming out? I don't want to have to...
What do you mean?
Oh.
What? No, I think it just grays it out on yours because it doesn't know that it's a really new CSS thing, right?
How new? WebKit? What's that for?
That's for Safari.
Oh. Fuck you, Safari! Command S.
Ooh, Edge supports it.
Edge?
Oh yeah, it's also for Edge. Edge only supports WebKit. That's actually quite strange. Date relative. Let's
okay,
see.
wait, I'm actually going to... Where is...
It was... Safari introduced it in 2015, then Edge introduced theirs in 2018.
50
then
pixels
Chrome
by
released theirs in summer.
100 pixels.
No, you can avoid this math by doing margin left 50 pixels, margin top 100 pixels. I just don't like the
But this makes more sense to me, because it like...
Oh, okay. Yeah, okay, sure.
Because it's like, it's adding it to the mouse position.
Sure.
Okay, cool.
That works.
As long as it doesn't have any performance change, I don't see the reason.
This puts it below. 100 pixels puts it below the mouse, though. Don't you want it above?
Top? Why?
It's from the top of the screen. So if you're adding pixels from the top of the screen, you're pushing it down. Thinking.
Negative. Big brain move.
Okay. We'll see how that works.
Okay, and that would move it to the right. Nah. Save. Stage. What changed in Dual Cube? Steven, what did you do? Why does it say that there's a thing that's been changed?
I don't know.
RIP naming convention and Area 51 raid. What?
I had the RIP naming convention and he had the Area 51 raid.
I think it went great.
So what you want is wait. So the problem is that it's blurring the hover instead of the image.
Okay. Seanception.
Let me add reverb to this one.
Pushing.
are two problems here. Here. Here.
Why? Why? Is this made with open shit?
Two problems here.
Is that with open shit?
No, this is with the audio editor.
Oh my
Let
god.
me make this louder. Why is it?
Ha ha! It works. Yay! I'm good.
There are two problems here.
There we go.
Wait, the radius CSS property will round the edges a little bit?
Border radius.
Border
dash.
radius. So if I went into hover info, this thing, and I did... No, I wanted to just, because I'm trying to understand, fuck, can't speak. I'm tired! The voice of confusion. No, I wanted to just, because I'm trying to understand,
What you want to wait, so the trouble is that it's blurring the hover instead of the image? Steven, you know if you reverse the audio, then apply the reverb, and then reverse again, it's back.
Is it backdrop radius or background radius? Because it's also
Background.
not showing up. Is it new as well?
Oops, I meant border. There. It's very old. It's a very old thing. I would be really concerned if it was gray.
Very concerned. Okay, so yeah, that worked. 5 pixels. Yeah. There's a limit, right? Like how? I don't see how, because it's not a radius. Or is it?
Yes, it is.
Is it actually drawing a circle that it deletes anything that's outside the circle?
I don't know how it works, but you could imagine it like a circle.
Yeah. Stage all.
The
Okay,
limit
so
is-
back to dual cubes. That's not gonna work. Okay, yeah. By the way, on dual cubes, there are errors that you might want to look at. Pistol. Camera isn't defined in pistol and the player class. Probably because we forgot to put... No, I'm not actually sure why. Maybe we should have done camera.player or camera.thingy, because they're not... Camera's not defined there.
Where? Oh.
The images slightly crushed my logo. Spicy.
Oh, he reversed the reverb. Okay.
Beautiful.
Français.
Hussant. Yeah. It still doesn't work. Come on. I clicked push this time, for Christ's sake.
Yes.
Hussant.
Yesn't.
Anyone remember the first one we do, the breathing? We'll do the straw breath 5 times. And then we'll do the expansion breath.
I got...
This one,
I'm actually
using
trying to
both of our
play...
arms. So breathe in for 6, hold for 4,
You
breathe out
salad.
for 6, and hold for 2.
I'm actually trying
we'll
to
use
play...
victory breath for that.
Yes.
And then we'll do the power
Seriously.
breath.
Oh.
3 rounds of
Oh,
15
let me
times
look at your
each.
stream.
And then we say the sound 3 times. And then I play the audio.
Ooh, fancy. When you
The
turn your
audio
head,
has two
it's not like
sounds.
you
When
hit a
hear,
wall.
so
It's
you
like you're
inhale normally.
stretching.
When you hear hum, you exhale
What?
normally. The whole breathing thing happens for just about 10 to 12 minutes
Oh.
maximum.
There's a limit of where you can turn
and
your
after
head,
that
and you
you
make
get
it
to
as
lie
if you're
down and
stretching.
rest for the rest of the period.
Yeah, that
Fancy.
I
took
invite
some
you
time
to
to figure
stagger
it
front
out.
and back so you can
Probably
move
not
your
worth
arms
the time.
comfortably without hitting your
Yeah.
neighbors. And gentle reminder, you know if you are disruptive, if you are not participating.
How the fuck is it so
Then
bright?
I will just ask your teacher to remove you.
shiny
Alright,
things?
so eyes
I don't
closed
know.
from this point on.
Oh, it
Let's
gets
start
pretty
with
dark
5 straw
when
Oh
it
my
breaths.
turns dark.
Christ.
Breathing in through the nose, out through the pretend straw in your mouth. Let's do that 4 more times. Breathing in through the nose, out through the pretend straw in your mouth. Keep your attention inward, don't distract your mind. Deep breath in and exhale through the pretend straw. 1 more time. Center yourself, relax your shoulders, relax your neck. Hands by your side for the expansion breath. Let's take a normal breath in and breathe out.
Okay, there.
Using victory breath from the back of the
I
throat.
think my...
Breathe in, arms come up slowly,
what?
activate your vagus nerve.
What?
Alright, so I
What did I
closed
do
from
to-
this point on.
What?
Let's start with
No.
5 straw breaths.
Ah!
Give me a
Fuck!
delay. Let me see if I can
That
tap
scared
it.
the
So eyes
shit out of
closed
me.
from this
Oh,
point
don't
on.
forget to breathe. Oh, you are
Let's
breathing.
start with
Never
5 straw breaths.
Oh my god! Okay.
Alright, so eyes closed from this point on. Let's
Yeah, you have to
start
be
with
doing the
5
yes
straw breaths.
movements.
Yeah,
Breathing
I'm
in
trying
through
to
the
do
nose,
this
out
legit.
through
I'm
the
a good
pretend straw in
student,
your
okay?
mouth. Let's do that 4 more times. Breathing in through the nose, out through the pretend
Oh,
straw
yeah,
in your
don't jump.
mouth. Keep your attention inward,
Jumping
don't
is-
distract your mind.
We'll get you
Jumping
up.
is
Deep breath in and
very,
exhale through the pretend
very
straw.
difficult task.
1 more time. Center yourself, relax
Okay, I'm
your
breathing.
shoulders, relax your neck. Hands by your side for the expansion breath. Let's take a normal breath in and breathe out. Using victory breath from the back of the throat. Breathe in, arms come up slowly, activate your
My arms came
Alright,
up!
So eyes closed from this point on. Let's start with
Oh,
5
were they
straw
high
breaths.
enough?
Breathing in through
I
the nose,
clicked
out
the up
through the
key.
pretend straw in your mouth.
Oh, you know there are
Let's
two
do that
different
4 more times.
arm movements, right?
Breathing in
How does
through
she
the nose,
notice
out
this
through the
shit?
pretend
Right.
straw in your mouth.
You have to use
Keep your
left and right
attention
for.
in
Oh
it,
yeah, you were
don't distract
using
your
the
mind.
power breath
My
arm.
god, it
breath
looks
in
like
and
the
exhale through the
rings of
pretend
Saturn
straw.
on the wall.
1 more time. Center yourself, relax your shoulders, relax your neck.
The stream is still
Hands by
slightly
your
delayed,
side for
so
the
I'll see
expansion
your
breath.
reaction. 10
Let's take
seconds
a
later.
normal breath in and breathe out. Using victory breath from the back of the throat. Breathe in, arms come
I
up
see what you
slowly,
mean.
activate your vagus nerve. 5, 6. Hold your breath.
Oh, don't forget to breathe.
3, 4. Breathe out using
Arms
victory.
down.
Arms come down slowly. 5, 6. Hold your breath.
When I did yes, it wasn't
Breathing.
this nerve-wracking.
3,
Nope.
Good job for
4,
lifting your arms.
5, 6.
Oh,
Hold.
this is fucking nerve-wracking.
3, 4.
Oh my god!
Alright.
What
so
was
let's
that?
start From
You
this
did.
point on. Let's start with 5
Oh
straw
my
breaths.
god!
Breathing in through the nose, out
Oh
through
my
the pretend straw in
Christ.
your mouth.
Oh, your arms
Let's
are a
do
bit
that
too
4 more
slow.
times.
Oh, at least you
Breathing
accepted
in
it.
through the nose, out through the pretend straw in your
For
mouth.
now.
Oh my
Keep your attention
god.
inward, don't
Oh,
distract
your
your mind.
arms were
Deep
a bit
breath
too
in and
low.
exhale through the pretend straw.
Scared the shit
One more
out of me.
time.
The way her head
Center
turned.
yourself, relax your shoulders,
That was
relax your
actually
neck.
unintentional.
by
Do you
your side
remember
for
the
the
rotation
expansion
order?
breath. Let's
That's
take
what
a
happens with
normal breath in
rotation,
and
the
breathe
default
out.
rotation order.
Using
And I just left
victory
it like
breath from
that.
the back of the throat. Breathe in, arms come up slowly, activate your vagus nerve.
She
You
was
just,
like,
you just try to run.
6.
Take out
Hold
your
your
phone
breath.
and try to decipher the
3,
code while you
4.
run and breathe.
Breathe out using victory,
check all
arms
the
come
doors.
down slowly. 5, 6. Hold your
I
breath.
should make running backwards slightly slower
Breathe
than
in.
running
2,
forwards.
3.
Like
Why?
running backwards should be the same speed as her speed.
Alright,
that
so eyes
pose.
closed
When you
from
run
this
forward,
point
you
on.
can't tell if
Let's
she's
start
behind
with
you.
5 straw
That
breaths.
just makes it creepier,
Breathing
scarier.
in through the nose, out through the pretend straw in your mouth. Let's do that 4 more times. Breathe. Your
Fuck
vagus
this.
nerve is not fully activated.
breathe.
You should just get up.
I'm fast as fuck, boy.
Are you running? Oh, you are.
I gotta
okay.
say, those are some pretty luminous eyes.
Yeah, it's a special. I think it's a shader or something.
I don't remember
I
the
still
gym being this long.
Yeah, I think there's actually 2 models for the gym. there's the slightly smaller gym when the lights are on, and when the lights go off, everything gets bigger.
Okay, I don't... Does she ever get tired?
No, why would she? She's a
Does she
you know, a
breathe?
yes. Huh?
Does she breathe?
Well, of course she does. She's an expert. Don't doubt her excellence, okay?
I'm not able to dual wield, and I just jumped.
Oh no.
Alright, so eyes closed from this point on. Let's start with 5 straw breaths. Breathing in through
Ah! The jumping is so terrible.
Alright, so eyes closed from this point on. Let's start with Let
me see if I can decipher. Oh, you don't.
Alright, so eyes closed
She's
from
sexually
this point
harassing me.
on. Let's
Nope.
Alright,
oh,
so
her
eyes
eyes
closed from
change
this
when
point
the
on.
lights go that off.
Let's start with your vagus nerve
You
is
made
not
this
fully
game. What are you
activated.
talking about? Give me the light.
forgot.
Dual wheel, and I jumped.
Alright,
You can
so eyes
dual
closed from
wield
this
the light
point
as
on.
well. If you
I
get
did.
close.
Let's start
That's what I
with
did.
5 straw breaths.
Ah.
Stop your
Give me the
vagus-
light. Okay.
Huh?
Alright, so eyes
The
closed
light was a
from this
bit
point
hard
on.
to implement, I think. I don't
Your
remember. I think
vagus
it was a
nerve
bit-
is not fully
because I had to
activated.
change the hitbox as well. I think I would. Oh, it jumped here. I think I should just make my own ohm sound with the audio editor.
Yeah, I can't decipher this code. This is just a bunch of scribbles.
Yes. Oh, that's Chinese.
Oh, fuck.
Okay.
Rip.
So the first character is kind of like Bean. Uh-oh. Okay, that was like 9? 8?
Do you remember the code? Just tell me what it is.
8.
I want to open the door and
that
see
one
what
was like a
see the full
3.
game's content.
So
I
8,
find it super fancy
5.
how the dual wielding works.
That one's an actual 5. 3. And then the next one is like air.
I'm heading towards the exit, Sean. We're making
Oh,
it.
that was
We're going
9.
at the exit.
Okay.
She's falling close
Double
behind.
checking my code. Yeah, okay. It's 8539.
Okay. I need to do another loop around because otherwise...
You know, I made the game extra annoying. You actually have to try in order to get through.
Try the what?
You have to try at least 2 doors in order to unlock them.
Wait, what's the code again?
Oh, 8539.
8539, 8539.
I think.
8539.
8539.
I just dropped something. 8539.
I don't know. I don't actually haven't gotten this far. I'm not even sure if the game works. So we'll see.
What do you mean use the other door? Okay.
8539.
I find it super fancy how like your stuff you're holding moves like differently from your camera.
Yeah, I was telling you about that previously.
Extra fancy. Looks like Minecraft.
Yeah. Yep. I should add like a crouching, or like if you hold shift, it just makes it go slow, like in Minecraft. So people try the shift key thinking it will make them sprint, but
That didn't
instead
work!
it just makes... What?
Alright, so
What
eyes
does it
closed
say?
from this point on. Let's start with 5 straw breaths. Breathing in through the nose, out through the Stop your vagus.
Let's see.
I
Alright,
didn't
so
click
eyes closed
Z.
from this point on.
Oh.
Stop your vagus nerve is not fully activated.
Oh, you press jump.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Not to worry, I got this. 8539.
No, there's a new code.
Oh, is it the green exit?
Huh? There are multiple exits. I think the algorithm is you have to try the code in one of the tunnels. Then, after that, if you try it in a different door, it will unlock. That way, it forces you to have to go through the tunnel.
Nope, that was close.
Okay, let's see. Okay, that one's like long. Oh, I can't see the phone. So it's a long character. 3 is the first character. Next one is a 5, 2. That one has like heart underneath.
I did the right key code.
9.
8539.
There's a new one. That generates a new one every time.
What? So what's the next one?
There. I'm figuring it out right now.
I'm gonna be the first person in history to complete this game.
Yes.
Quick.
Live as well. Oh, 6. Okay. 3296.
She can phase through the students. What is this sorcery? What the fuck?
She's an expert, okay? 3296.
And I do this at the corridor, in the corridor?
Yeah. And it'll tell you to type it in a different door. And after that, it should work.
3296. Speedy boy, 3296. 3296.
3296. This game hard. I'm not even sure if the codes work actually.
I don't know what it said, I didn't have time. I had to run.
Oh, oof.
I love how the students are just sitting there completely concentrated. While I'm just...
Try another door. Oh yeah, okay, yeah, it works. Try a different door.
Okay, so now...
Any door should work now that accepts a key code.
Which one is it?
3296. Any door. Any door should work now. Any door except the door you tried before, that is. So, like...
Oh my god, freedom!
You got through? You got through?
You've escaped, lol, oof.
Wait, you actually got through. Whoa, that's so cool.
Fascinating. The animation was pretty arousing as well. Oh my god. Now I'm gonna watch the stream delay to watch me win again. It lagged like hell.
Yes.
Okay, well, that's enough dual cubes. I'm gonna take a screenshot of that because this makes history. Meh. Alright.
Yes, Game Pro 5 is the first person to complete.
I totally didn't, cheat by getting the locations told to me. Okay, I'm just gonna stage this. Save this, stage it, push it, and I need to go rest myself. I don't know.
Yes.
Good day. We should do this more. I don't know. Well, actually, yeah, because it still doesn't work, but I'm gonna try to fix it before I go to bed. Let's see, what else? Yeah, that's basically it. I pushed it, and now I unshare. Good day. Rip. Oh my god, we have an absolutely whopping 3 concurrent viewers. Holy shit. Dude, I'd like to thank my parents and everyone who got me to this point. It really means a lot to have 3 concurrent viewers. It's an all-time high. And, it's glorious. Yay! Alright, goodbye.